Hi, so my name's Hannah Dacumos and I'm a second-year student from the University of Derby and I study fashion. So I found out about Alexey Morozov through my tutor because he recommended him to me and to everyone else in our studio. So I decided to apply for the internship that they were offering.
Hannah is one of my the student placement right now. They're both on the same time, but I decided to do one person 1 week, second person second week. But at the same time, they do project from home as well, which is good for them because they can learn about technical drawing, about illustration, and in the studio we're doing about patterns and manufacturing. So you kind of do everything at the same time. I'm really exciting. I'm really kind of plan for the future, and I really want to have working with students in the future. Definitely, it will be a great opportunity for, especially in Derby, literally 5 steps from university. I would say really close. You don't need to go to everywhere. Banks Mill is literally area where the student area as well, which is good will be for students as well.
So I've enjoyed it in my placement so far because I've learned and developed many skills that I wanted to experience throughout this placement year, such as pattern cutting, more ironing, and fabric cutting.
I would say it's a great experience to share my experience, my knowledges to students, and the second, I like to work in a team really as well, because when you're working by yourself, it's quite difficult. And to be honest, maybe in the future I would love to hire students because they know they can come back if they like it.